Hey everyone, welcome back to Manik Artverse. Today, I'm taking you inside the Lalit Academy for a very special exhibition celebrating the 100th birthday of one of India's greatest sculptors, Scuptor. He's the legendary artist behind the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. This exhibition showcases his breathtaking sculptures, both grand and intricate, depicting India's rich history. From divine figures like Lord Shiva, Lord Ram and Lord Hanuman to iconic leaders and warriors like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, every piece is a testament to his mastery. Join me as I explore these timeless creations and dive into the artistic genius of Scuptor. Let's get started. And here is the man himself, Scuptor, who has turned 100, a true legend in the world of sculpture. And that wraps up our tour of this incredible exhibition celebrating the legendary sculptor Ram V. Sutar on his 100th birthday. His masterpieces truly bring history to life. It's amazing to see how his sculptures preserve the legacy of India's rich culture and history for generations to come. Let me know in the comments which artwork stood out the most to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Manik Artverse for more art tours and creative content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.